Hello everyone, I'm Kevin Xu, Senior Manager of Edge Vision Business Center at ADLINK Technology. Today I'm here to introduce our latest high-speed AI optical inspection solution. As the manufacturing process and the technology advance, products like semiconductors and the MicroLED are becoming smaller, data volumes are increasing, and the data demand for faster inspection speeds is rising. However, traditional AI systems are no longer sufficient to meet these requirements. ADLINK high-speed AI optical inspection solution is specially designed for large-scale image data application in semiconductor, micro-LED, and electronics manufacturing. By utilizing data forwarding technology, image data generated by a single industrial camera can be synchronized and distributed to multiple computers to perform various AI image analysis, achieving faster and more efficient inspection results. Here you can see an application scenario presented by our customers. Using a 25 mega CSP camera, the system captures up to 100 images per second, ensuring comprehensive and accurate inspection at high speeds. These large volumes of image data are transmitted with extremely low latency at a high speed of up to 50 gigabits per second to multiple downstream computers using high-speed Euresys CoaXPress data forwarding capture card. With this data forwarding technology, AOI equipment manufacturers can allocate algorithms across multiple computers according to their needs, significantly improving the inspection efficiency and the flexibility. Furthermore, ADLINK offers a one-stop solution for our computers. From industrial computers, capture cards, GPU to motion control, we provide a complete set of equipment to meet your needs. For the computing asset, ADLINK can offer various configurations based on computer requirements, ensuring that the solution perfectly fits their specific needs. If your application requires an Intel Xeon-grade CPU, more than 3 GPU cards, or 4 PCIe by 16 slots, you can choose the high-performance ASE 7400 series. For applications that need an Intel Core i CPU, 1 to 2 GPU cards, and 7 PCIe slots, the IAP M47 series is a flexible automation system. Additionally, this station also showcases ADLINK's partners' numerous AI deep inspection software. This software allows intuitive image collection and easy defect inspection in deep components without requiring programming or engineering expertise. It significantly reduces the manpower needed for deep inspection. The software is also equipped with AI models significantly designed for deep defect detection, which greatly reduces the rate of miss defect detection and false positive during inspection. To learn more, please visit ADLINK official website. Thank you for your watching.